In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Etsy storefront. This is a quick and practical way to make your shop easier to share. A QR code lets people scan with their phone and go directly to your Etsy storefront without needing to type in a web address manually. It's especially useful for packaging inserts, business cards, flyers, market booths, and social media graphics. To get started, open Chrome and go to your public Etsy storefront page. Make sure you're on the public-facing version of your shop, the page you want customers to visit when they scan the code. This is important because the QR code will send people exactly to the link you copy. Once your Etsy storefront page is open, go to the browser search bar at the top. Highlight the full URL in the address line and copy it completely. Be sure to copy the entire link so the QR code works properly. If part of the address is missing, the final code may not take users to the correct destination. Next, open a free QR code generation website, such as QR Code Generator. These tools are designed to take a link and instantly turn it into a scannable code image. When the site loads, look for the text field where you can enter a website address. Paste your copied Etsy storefront link into that text field. Take a moment to double check that the link appears correctly before moving on. This helps avoid creating a QR code with the wrong destination and saves you time if you plan to print or share it right away. After that, click Download to save your new QR code image file. The file will usually download as an image format that you can store on your computer and use later wherever you need it. Once it's downloaded, it's a good idea to test the QR code with your phone's camera before you start using it publicly. That way you can confirm it opens your Etsy storefront exactly as expected. And that's it. You've created a QR code that links directly to your Etsy shop, making it faster and easier for potential customers to find you. Keep the image file somewhere easy to access so you can add it to printed materials, digital promotions, or product packaging whenever you want.